guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI viral short for free. For today's tutorial guys, for example, I'm going to create animal viral short using AI. And first of all, we can generate the storyline using ChatGPT. I'm going to open up my ChatGPT. You can open chatgpt.com or you can install ChatGPT app. And then this is the storyline. And I have already asked ChatGPT to create the prompt for each scene. And I'm going to generate images with Gemini. Okay. For the scene 1, I'm going to copy the the prompt like this. And I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to open up Gemini application. Okay. And then I'm going to use Nano Banana feature. You can choose this Nano Banana feature shown by this banana icon. Okay, and then I'm going to submit the prompt to AI and let's AI generate an image for us. Okay, and then after the image has been generated, guys, we're going to use Pixverse AI to generate a video. So you will need ChatGPT and then Gemini and also Pixverse. Okay, and this is the result. I'm going to download the image. And you also need a video editor, guys. You will need video editor to compile all the video because we're going to generate the video scene by scene. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Pixverse AI to animate this image. You can go to Pixverse AI and then you're going to sign into this website and you will have 60 credits for free. And I'm going to upload the image we have just generated using Gemini, and I'm going to add the same prompt, and then I'm going to generate it. Before that, I'm going to choose the ratio, guys. Oops, sorry. I'm going to change the ratio here. Where is it? Okay, you can change the duration, and I'm going to change the ratio so I can make it 9:16 ratio. Sorry guys, for the ratio, I think you need to choose it on computer. To open up the Pixverse, I recommend you to use computer, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we can click on create. Okay, and then Pixverse will generate a video for us. Now my video is being generated by AI. Okay, and now the video has been generated. And then we're going to compile the video, guys, using video editor. You can use InShot or CapCut to compile all your videos. Let's say that you have already generated all the scenes, and then you can compile it with I'm going to import the video. Okay, the video has been imported, and then to make it more captivating, you can add music and then text, and it's up to you. And make sure that you choose this ratio. For Pixverse, guys, I recommend you to choose 9:16 ratio so it can match the YouTube short. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.